Hi guys, I'm touching base about this weekend as we jump into the 10 Commandments and continue our study of Moses. So I just want to give you a sneak peek at what we're going to be doing for small groups this week. The first part is super simple. We are only going to be doing a 5-minute pre-large group connection just to give us a little bit more time in our second half of small groups. So you can play a simple game of Simon Says, or if you would rather do something else, that's totally fine. Just use it as a connection point for your group and a fun time to connect a little bit with them and just get to know them a little bit more. And then Kelly will be teaching for a large group this weekend. And then for your second large group, where we're going to work more on applying the information, there are some discussion questions, opportunities to get in God's Word. So make sure you check that out on the sheet. That'll be attached to this video. And then for the activity time, each child is going to get 2 pieces of paper with the 10 numbers on there, and then they're going to get a large sheet with these little things on there that will need to be cut out. They can even do a rough cut, it's fine, but I apologize, we did not have an opportunity to get all of these cut out ahead of time. As you can see, I am a stellar cutter. But they're going to cut each of these out, and there's one for each of the 10 Commandments, and you're going to have 2 dice in your large group time, and so you are going to roll these dice, or the child is going to roll the dice for themselves, and if they get a 1 and a 4, they can take the corresponding commandments, which I'm looking for, but so they can cover up 1 and 4. Obviously these would be on the ground. And then it'll be the next person's turn. Or if they rolled a 1 and a 4, they could decide instead to add those together and cover up the 5 instead. So obviously any number greater than 6, they would need to do that anyways. And so the goal is to get all 10 of theirs covered. So they'll each take a turn, roll around the circle. The only trick is if you roll 2 tablets at the same time, you have to clear your board. So play with them, enjoy it. Obviously, if you have a larger small group, it might take a minute to go around, but that's totally okay. I think they'll have fun with it and engage with it well. So especially at the 11 o'clock, but at other services as well, if you want to take your group of kids out to the hallway so you can have them focus a little bit more, of course, please do that. Just be sure to be back in by the time the service ends. Harvey Carey is speaking this weekend, so I expect us to go a few minutes over, but not too significant. It will be an exciting weekend. We will be busy because I know that people love hearing Harvey. So please be in prayer for this weekend. Please be in prayer for our team as we continue to look for opportunities for growth for our team members. All right, I hope to see you all this weekend, and have a good one. Take care.